Welcome to another Colorholic day. Today we are going on an adventure to Uptown, Charlotte. Yeah. It's super swanky. They have museums and hotels and restaurants and it's awesome. So you're coming along. And how are we getting there? We are going on the train. First time I've ever ridden this train, so hopefully I'll get there in one piece. I'm always getting interrupted. And we're here! So, I don't know exactly where we are, but we will walk and see. It's all an adventure, people. And now, on our left, we have what's called the epicenter. It's like a big outdoor mall with restaurants and bars and fun stuff to do. So we are on our way to Amelie's French Bakery and Cafe. Supposedly it's down this street. Hopefully we'll find it soon because it's really hot outside today. I know I say that all the time, but it's true this time. This time it's like above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's like 40 degrees Celsius or close to that. Yeah, it's hot. So hopefully we will find it soon. Oh, there's a Panera, but we're not going there. How badly do I want to jump in that fountain right now? If I wouldn't be judged, I probably would. Clothes and all. But no. Ooh, this is pretty. And more fountains to jump in. Okay, how cool would it be to like drop some bubble bath in that fountain and then watch it get all soapy and cool? Ah, that would be so fun. Alright guys, I'm walking through the fountain. Woo! We did it! We did it, we didn't get wet! And now we're under the tower. Oh my gosh, so many things to explore here. And it's like 11:30, but we need like a whole day. We need more than a day. We need like 2-3 days to get all of this explored. Definitely. And this is my favorite building of Uptown. More buildings. More and more buildings. We found it! Oh. Which one would you guys get? They all look so good. I want to try one of these. Here I have my box of goodies, which I will open in a minute. And I'm just waiting for my coffee. This one's for you, babe. So happy I got here before the line. Is that Alright, so while my coffee is being prepared, I'm gonna check out the stuff. So fun and like whimsical. Ooh, wait, is that the kitchen? Nice, that's the kitchen. And this is where they prepare all these awesome desserts. Oh my god. I'd be so nervous if I was being watched though. I don't know, maybe they're just so into it they don't even pay attention. Eraser. That's funny. Comment down below if you know why that's funny. Hint, hint, that's Van Gogh, the famous painter. I probably don't need coffee, but I ordered it anyway. Let's see how loopy I can get. Apparently there's a birthday upstairs. I would totally do my birthday. It's so awesome. Look at this. So now it's time for the big reveal. What did I get from the bakery? What is it? What is it? Macaroons! So I literally got one of every flavor, thanks to the girls behind the counter. So this one is raspberry, this one is cinnamon, then there's lemon, orange, mixed berry, jalapeno. That is the craziest flavor I've heard. That last flavor, the white one, is honey. So I'm gonna try, which one should I try first? The cinnamon, because I love cinnamon. Alright, that's what it looks like. It looks like a little burger. Oh my god. Oh my god. So good. Amazing. It's cinnamon on the outside and like chocolate on the inside. Oh my god. Now we're off to the Mint Museum. It's a modern art museum and we are going to check it out. There's probably no filming allowed inside, but at least I could show you the outside of the place, and it's really nice.
Left onto South Tryon Street.
That's my GPS telling me where to go. Alright, I gotta turn somewhere. See you later. Oh, this is the literature themed garden, and we'll get there in a second. We'll get there actually later today. Not right now. Right now we are going there. The Mint Museum. Museum has been open for 80 years. This location is the new one that's been open for 6 years. And the old location is about 10 minutes from here. I don't know if we're going to be able to go, but just saying. So I am taking on the challenge on these 2 pages. Basically, on this page, I have to go to the 4th floor and find all of these animals, and I'm doing this because I'm a kid and I want to. And on this one, I have to find all 5 dogs. Are you ready to take the challenge with me? Let's go. So this is the 4th floor gallery. It's like old paintings and like antiques. Hey, I found one. Dog. We put a check mark on that one. Found another one. Looks the same. Check. And we found another one. This little one right here is right there. The colors are different, but it's pretty much. What a beautiful garden. What a gorgeous garden. Check it out, guys. Oh, wait. It's a painting. Fooled ya. Oh, I can just feel the wind in my face. And the clouds and the sun. Oh, wait a minute. It's another painting. Who fell for that one? Haha. So, we finished the Mint Museum and now we are at the Literature Garden. And all over the garden you'll see different little hints of literature, pages on the floor, little statues, little riddles on the floor as well, carved into the stone. It's just a really fun place to go exploring and look around and relax and just take it all in. And it's really fun. So I'm gonna show you around. Let's go. So all around the park you see these pages, and they're actual poems by different people, by different authors. And you can see them like placed all. I think there are little riddles on the floor. Let's see. Mine before you. Oh, here's another riddle. Wait a second. Okay, so I'm not gonna help you this time, okay? So you do it by yourself and see what you get. I'll just be waiting. Did you get it? Did ya? Write it down in the comments below. Oh, look at this! It's like a game board. Cat. Oh, I know! I think it's hopscotch and you have to like rhyme the words. Okay, wait a second. Cat. Hat or hot? Obviously cat rhymes with hat. Hog rhymes with dog. Big rhymes with bag. And here's another statue of books, gigantic statue of books piled up on top of each other. And then here's the other one right next to it. And this is pretty much like the whole view of the park. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming along with me on my tour of Uptown. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. There's lots of exciting stuff coming up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!